welcome back to our science sessions. As you know that chapter number 12, we are going with chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is friction. We have already completed two parts. Now I am going to start our third part. Friction, unnecessary evil. The name of the topic is friction, unnecessary evil. Evil मतलब enemy. We can tell enemy. Necessary evil means sometimes it is useful also and sometimes it is harmful also. So let's see how it is useful and how it is harmful. So first of all we will study what are the usefulness of frictions. How the friction is useful in our life. Without frictions can we walk? Without frictions can our routine life become easily? So let's try to understand with this written topic. First one. Hold a kulhar or a glass tumbler. Kulhar, that means earthen pot that the farmers are using while plowing the field also. So, is it possible, just think about it, is it possible to hold the kulhar if there is no friction? No. Next thing, would it be possible to glass if there is no friction? Would it be possible to hold the glass if there is no friction? Suppose instead of glass, suppose I am telling about this pen. If there is no friction, can I hold this pen? No. If there is no friction, what happens? It will fall down. So that's why because only friction, we can hold anything in our hand. Third point. It is difficult to move on a muddy track or wet marble floor. Muddy track or wet marble floor. Why? Because I told previously also in the wet marble floor there is a smooth floor. If smooth floor is there, force of friction will be less, so you can't walk easily. So if there is no friction, we can't walk or run on the wet marble floor. Otherwise, in the muddy track, what happened in the monsoon season? Somewhere puddles are there. What happens? Sometimes it may happen that your leg will stuck into it. आपका जो leg है वो फंस जाएगा. Why? Because in that time there is no friction in that area. So if there is no friction, how we can move, how we can walk, how we can run. So that's why friction is so many times helpful to in our life. Third point, I am written writing with the chalk on the blackboard. Have you seen your teacher while he or she is writing on the board? Of course, yes, no. When you were coming in this school. So at the time your teacher is writing in the board. Here I have whiteboard. So it is a smooth surface. And whatever my ink is there, it is a rough surface. That's why I can write here easily. But here I have given examples of chalk stick. When the teacher is writing on the chalk stick, some particles of the chalk that stuck into the board and others are fallen down. Why that stuck to the board? Because only force of friction of the board. If force of friction is not there, the teacher can't able to write on the board. Another point. If an object started moving, never stops. If there were no friction, what happened? Any object will be there. They started to move. But if there is no friction, what happened? They will never stop. Suppose take an example of throwing a ball. If we had thrown a ball, if friction is not there, it will move on the air only. Like the gas balloon goes upside. Same like if there is no friction, the started object is there. The motion of the object which is already started, that never stop. It will be endless only. In the last example I have written that without force of friction, buildings are not constructed. If force of friction is not there, buildings are constructed on the ground only. If force of friction is not there, how we will construct the building? If we can't able to walk, if there is no friction, then how can we construct these too much larger buildings? It's not possible. That's why here to observe this all the points, we can tell that friction is our friend also. Friction is our friend. One proverb is there, no? A man is a friend also or enemy also. Same like here. Friction is also having the two sides. सिक्के की दो sides होती है. One is good, second is bad. same like here friction is also a positive points also and negative points also. So first I have to mention here positive poles means usefulness of frictions. Now next is that able. How the frictions can be called able? Able मतलब enemy. So some points are there. See, usefulness of friction is more than the harmfulness of the friction. फ्रिक्शन की जो यूजफुलनेस है वो उसकी एबल मतलब उसकी हार्मफुलनेस से ज्यादा है. सो which points are there? By them we will tell that the friction is also able. First one, friction can also produce the heat. Friction can also produce the heat. Now winter season is going on. Can you rub your hand? It will create heat. Why? There is only due to the friction only. When you are rubbing your hand, heat is produced now. Energy will be produced, and this energy is produced by the force of friction only. Second example. When you strike a matchstick, when you strike a matchstick against the rough surface, it catches a fire. This experiment you no need to do at all. When you strike a matchstick, that you already know. जब हम मैचस्टिक जलाते हैं, it will catch a fire, and if you are putting that matchstick somewhere else, it will catch a fire. So what happened? It will be the dangerous for our life. Next point. When a machine is operated, heating created causes much wasting of energy. Sometimes it may happen in the machine while the machine is operated, energy is produced, heat is produced, and sometimes it may happen it is the wastage of energy. So in these 3 or 4 cases we can tell like that कि friction is our habit also, and sometimes it is happen that friction is a friend also. So this point is about friction. Unnecessary evil means friction is a friend also or is a enemy also. So let's start our next topic. The name of the topic is increasing and reducing the friction. Before this, I have explained you what are the usefulness and harmfulness of friction. In which cases the friction is useful and in which cases it is harmful also. Now we have to learn the increasing and reducing the friction. Means in which term we have to increase the force of friction and at which term it is that we have to reducing the speed of force of friction. So let's try to begin this point. First of all, we will study about the increasing the force of friction. In which situation we have to increase the frictional force. So let's try to be clear with this point. Sole of your shoes is grooved. First point I have written that sole of the shoes is grooved. Have you seen your sole of your shoes? It is grooved. There are grips in it. Why? Because it increases the force of frictions and you can walk easily on the road. To provide this, that I told you, to provide the shoes better grip on the floor. There are grooved on the shoes, that is known as grips also. That grips are giving safety to walk properly on the road. And whatever these grooves are there, they are increasing the force of frictions between the ground and your body. Next point. Have you seen the tires? Tires में भी ऐसे grooved ही होते हैं, grips ही होती है. Why? Because treaded tires of cars, trucks and bulldozers, they are having a heavy tires because they have to carry heavy loads also, provide better grip with the ground. Same like shoes also, in shoes also grips are there, and the treaded tires of cars, trucks and bulldozers having the grips. Why? Because they increase the force of friction. What happens? Think about it. If there is a smooth surface of tire, it will slip on, you know. Sometimes you also observe in your shoes also. कि shoes की जो sole होती है वो you can see in the picture also. Whenever the sole of the shoes becomes smooth, you are throwing it. Why? Because it will create a dangerous for you. Sometimes you will fall down because both the surface will smooth. So it will happen slippiness and आप गिर जाओगे. So same thing in tires of cars, trucks and bulldozer also. After sometimes they have to change the tires. Why? Because if the surface of the tire becomes smooth, there would be a chances of accidents. Next thing. When you are riding a bicycle, braking pads, This thing you might be observed or not, that I don't know, but when you are riding a bicycle, brake pad is there, उसमें एक आवाज भी आती है. When you are braking, जब आप ब्रेक लगाते हो, your cycle will be come into the motion. Sorry, the cycle will stop it. Cycle stop हो जाएगी. Why? Because from your side also force of friction is created. So in this case, why braking pad is given? To increase the force of friction and to stop the motion of the bicycle. Next thing, kabaddi players. Yes, have you seen the players who is playing the kabaddi? What they are doing? While they are going to in front of the opponent team, they are rubbing their hands with the sand also sometimes, or rubbing their head. Why? Because sweat is there on their palms. If sweat is there, the palm will become smooth, and there are chances it becomes sticky. वो sticky हो जाएगा, smoothie हो जाएगा, and the opponent team will catch them towards its team only. So what they are doing? They are rubbing their hand for a better grip on their opponents. When they are rubbing, their palm will be rough हो जाएगी. If the rough surface will be there, force of friction will be more. If their palm will be less smooth, तो force of friction will be less, और उसके सामने वाला players को catch कर लेगा. So for the winning purpose, they are rubbing their hand for when they are going to the opponent team. So these all are the situation in this thing. We are increasing the force of friction. Some situations are there also in that we have to decrease the frictions. Let's see which things are there. We sprinkle the fine powder on the carom board. Yes, our favorite game that you also played. That you are also playing. That what we are doing? We sprinkle fine powder on the carom board. While you are going to start the carom, you are sprinkling the powder, and this powder is known as boric acid. वो एक boric acid होता है that decreases the force of friction. That decreases the force of when you are striking the कुकरी जो होती है उसको आप strike करते हो. Because in that one we have to what type of surface we want? We want rough surface because उसमें we want smooth surface. Why? Because when it will be the smooth surface, the force of friction will be less, and our goal will be the clear time. So for this situation, while playing the carom, we are sprinkling the powder on the carom board. See in the picture also it is like that, and that might you also know that. Second point, a few drops of oil poured on the hinges of door. This thing you observe at your home. Sometimes your mother or your grandmother is doing this thing. What she is doing? A few drops of oil are poured on the hinges of door. कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि डोर में से आवाज आती है. तो what they are doing? They are pouring some drops of oil there. That is good. That is known as greasing oil. Why? Because they want that force of friction will be less. अगर force of friction ज़्यादा हो जाएगा तो that would be the sound from the door side. So what they are doing? A few drops of oil are poured on the hinges of door to reduce the force of friction. Next one. A bicycle or machines are greased between the moving parts. A bicycle or machines are greased between the moving parts. That you have also seen that situation also. जब bicycle में जो chain बोलते हैं उसमें हम grease करते oil लगाते. Why? Because only reducing the friction. And the last one, when we are greasing it, here I have mentioned what was greased. What is grease? Greasing मतलब क्या होता है? That the definition is here of substance which reduces the force of friction. A substance is that reduces the force of friction, that is known as lubricants. So this lubricants is used in the machines also, in the heavy vehicles also. That mechanic using the lubricants. Why the mechanic is use the lubricants? To reduce the force of friction. So the person can ride the vehicle very easily. So here I have mentioned 2 points. First is in which situation we have to increase the force of friction, and the second situation we have to reduce the force of friction. In this video today I have explained you 2 points. First one is friction and necessary angle, and the second point is increasing and decreasing the force of friction. So regarding this point, you are having any doubt or queries that we will solve in our online sessions. Till then, Thank you and have a good day.